मेरे चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इससे गवर्नमेंट जॉब में पूछे जाने वाले एमसी क्वेश्चन के सारे अपडेट आपको मिलते रहेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज। ऑप्शन सी, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट। नेक्स्ट, व्हाई इज द कंट्रोल यूनिट often referred to as the central nervous system of the computer? Option C, because it controls and coordinate all operations of the computer. Next, what does MBR stand for? Option D, memory buffer register. Next, in the instruction add A, B, the answer get stored in. Option B, A. Next, what does PC stand for? Option B, program counter. Next, which of the following holds the last instruction fetched? Option D, IR. Next, the portion of the processor which contains the hardware required to fetch the operation is. Option A, data path. Next, causing the CPU to step through a series of micro operations is called. Option C, sequencing. Next, the functions of execution and sequencing are performed by using. Option C, control signals. Next, what does D in D flip-flop stand for? Option C, delay. Next, CPU has built-in ability to execute a particular set of machine instructions called as. Option A, instruction set. Next, what does the opcode in instruction indicate? Option C, the operation to be performed. Next, the length of a register is called. Option B, word size. Next, what holds the contents of the SS memory word? Option B, MBR. Next, which of the following is not a visual register? Option D, MAR. Next, which of the following is a data transfer instruction? Option A, ASTA 16-bit address. Next, what is correct instruction if you want the control to go to the location 2000H? Option C, JMP 2000H. Next, what kind of a flag is the sign flag? Option B, a status. Next, the number of sign bits in a 32 bits IEEE format. Option A, 1. Next, a new CPU whose instruction set includes the instruction set of its predecessor's CPU is said to be. Option D, backward compatible. Next, what is the high speed memory between the main memory and the CPU is called? Option B, cache memory. Next, which type of memory chip is typically used to implement cache memory? Option D, SRAM. Next, whenever the data is found in the cache memory, it is called as. Option A, HIT. Next, LRU stand for. Option C, least recently used. Next, when the data at a location in a cache is different from the data located in the main memory, the cache is called. Option B, inconsistent. Next, which of the following is not a right policy to avoid cache coherence? Option B, write within. Next, which of the following is an efficient method of cache updating? Option A, Snoopy writes. Next, in dash mapping, the data can be mapped anywhere in the cache memory. Option A, associative. Next, the number of sign bits in a 32 bits IEEE format is. Option A, 1. Next, the transfer between CPU and cache is. Option B, word transfer. Next, computer has a built-in system clock that emits millions of regular spaced electric pulses per dash called clock cycle. Option A, second. Next, how many clock cycle does it typically take to perform a basic operation in a computer? Option A, 1 clock cycle. Next, the operation that does not involve clock cycle is. Option A, installation of a device. Next, the number of clock cycles per second is referred as. Option A, clock speed. Next, CISC stand for. Option B, complex instruction set computer. Next, which of the following processor has a fixed length of instruction? Option B, RISC. Next, processor which is complex and expensive to produce is. Option C, CISC. Next, the architecture that use a tighter coupling between the compiler and the processor is. Option A, EPIC. Next, MAR stands for. Option A, memory address register. Next, circuitry that process that respond to and process the basic instructions that are required to drive a computer system is. Option D, processor. Next, any electronic holding place where data can be stored and retrieved later whenever required is. Option A, memory. Next, cache memory is the onboard storage. Option A, true. Next, of the following is the fastest means of memory access for CPU. Option A, register. Next, memory implemented using the semiconductor chip is. Option B, main. Next, size of the dash memory mainly depends on the size of the address bus. Option A, main. Next, which of the following is independent of the address bus? Option A, secondary memory. Next, what types of storage is a system where a robotic arm connects or disconnects offline mass storage media according to the computer operating system's demands? Option C, tertiary. Next, what is the location of the internal register of a CPU? Option B, on chip. Next, MAR stand for. Option A, memory address register. Next, if M denotes the number of memory location and N denotes the word size, then an expression that denotes the storage capacity is. Option A, M into N. Next, computer has a built-in system clock that emits millions of regularly spaced electric pulses per called clock cycle. Option A, second. Next, how many clock cycles does it take to perform a basic operation in a computer system? Option C, one clock cycle. Next, the operation that does not involve clock cycles is. Option A, installation of a device. Next, the number of clock cycles per second is referred as. Option A, clock speed. Next, CISC stand for. Option B, complex instruction set computer. Next, which of the following processor has a fixed length of instruction? Option B, RISC. Next, processor which is complex and expensive to produce. Option C, CISC. Next, the architecture that uses a tight coupling between compiler and the processor. ऑप्शन ए EPIC, नेक्स्ट HLDA स्टैंड फॉर, ऑप्शन सी होल्ड एक्नॉलेजमेंट, नेक्स्ट वर्ड लेंथ ऑफ ए पर्सनल कंप्यूटर, ऑप्शन सी 8 बिट, नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एक्जुलरी स्टोरेज, ऑप्शन ए सेकेंडरी मेमोरी, नेक्स्ट secondary storage virtually has an unlimited capacity because the cost per bit is very low, ऑप्शन ए ट्रू, नेक्स्ट magnetic tape is a type of dash SS device, ऑप्शन ए sequential, नेक्स्ट the magnetic tape is generally a plastic ribbon coated with, ऑप्शन बी chromium dioxide, नेक्स्ट the dots on the magnetic tape represent, ऑप्शन ए बाइनरी डिजिट्स, नेक्स्ट which of the following is the correct representation for a storage capacity of a tape, ऑप्शन सी storage capacity is equal to length into data recording density, next what is the amount of data that can be stored on a given length of a tape, ऑप्शन सी data recording density, next the number of character per second that can be transmitted to the memory from the tape is denoted by the term, ऑप्शन ए डेटा ट्रांसफर रेट। नेक्स्ट, द टिपिकल वैल्यू ऑफ डेटा ट्रांसफर रेट इज। ऑप्शन ए 7.7 MB पर सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट, tape drive is connected to and controlled by। ऑप्शन बी tape controller। नेक्स्ट, what is used for writing and reading data to and from a magnetic ribbon। ऑप्शन बी मैग्नेटिक टेप। नेक्स्ट, what type of SS method is used for a magnetic disk। ऑप्शन बी डायरेक्ट एसएस। नेक्स्ट, the disk surface is divided into a number of individual concentric circles called। ऑप्शन बी ट्रैक्स। नेक्स्ट, the number of sectors per tracks on a magnetic disk। ऑप्शन सी 8 or more। नेक्स्ट, generally there are dash bytes in a sector। ऑप्शन डी 512। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not a part of disk address। ऑप्शन ए सेक्टर साइज। नेक्स्ट, what does CHS stand for। ऑप्शन सी सिलेंडर हेड सेक्टर। नेक्स्ट, the interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from a disk system to the primary storage and the instant this operation is completed is called। ऑप्शन ए डिस्क अराइवल टाइम, नेक्स्ट disk access time does not depends on which of the following factors. Option D arrival time, next the time required to span the desired sector under the read write head once the read write head is positioned on the desired track. Option T latency, next a dash disk consistence of a circular disk which is coated with a thin metal or some other material that is highly reflective. Option B optical, next which of the following statements is true about optical disk in the context of secondary storage? Option C optical discs are a promising random access medium for high capacity storage. Next, the technology used in optical disc is option C laser beam, next the storage capacity of an optical disc is given by option A number of sector into number of bytes per sector, next rotation of the disk must vary dash with the radius of the disk, option B inversely, next which of the following correctly represents the track pattern of an optical disc? Answer is image A. Next, the tracks are divided into sectors whose size option A remains the same. Next, CLV stands for in term of rotation of the optical disc. Option B, constant linear velocity. Next, the range of SS timers of optical disc is generally. Option A, 100 to 300 millisecond. Next, which of the following is not a type of optical disc? Option D, Winchester. Next, Winchester discs are a type of. Option B, magnetic disc. Next, what types of a storage device is a Bernoulli disc? Option C, magnetic hard disk. Next, a plug and play storage device that simply plugs in the port of a computer is. Option A, flash drive. Next, what does USB stand for? Option C, universal series bus. Next, a device similar to a flash drive. Option A, memory card. Next, what does RAID stand for? Option A, redundant array of independent disk. Next, set of hard disk drives with a controller mounted in a single box forming a single large storage unit is. Option A, disk array. Next, the process in which a file is partitioned into small parts and different parts are stored in a different disk is. ऑप्शन सी स्ट्रिपिंग। नेक्स्ट, which of the following uses multiple hard disk platters mounted on a single control shift? Option C disk packs। Next, which of the following is not a magnetic disk? Option D flash।